2 minutes to go with trade for the entire week, and the Dow, this is going to be a whisker, right? It's going to be a squeaker. The Dow is at a record high right now. Will we close there? Especially considering everybody's been concerned about stocks. I want to bring in Mike Holland of Holland Company because he says, for the moment, put aside techs and buy what, Mike?
I think stocks like General Electric and Johnson & Johnson, both of which yield much more than the 10-year Treasury, are really interesting. I think the FANG stocks I own some of them. I'm glad I own them, but I presume they could go down a lot over the summer. I don't know. Nobody knows. But I think that there's some really good things out there, like Microsoft. There's another one for you.
J&J, what do you see within that, especially when we still have a huge question mark over medical device taxes? We know that the Republicans have said get rid of that in the new health care bill, but there's still some, I guess, opacity. Nobody really knows.
Opacity is a good word. Nobody knows, and I think that the management of companies like J&J, Liz, they've shown that they can exist and prosper with whatever is thrown at them in terms of this kind of stuff. And they just made a recently attractive acquisition that bespeaks some new product stuff that's going on. I think that they've got some very good product innovation in front of them. And in the meantime, you're getting paid a lot of money with a dividend yield and a reasonable multiple. So what's not to like?
We've got just about 45 seconds to go here, Mike. Our valuation stretched. We're possibly going to hit another record close for the Dow.
Yeah, we are going to hit another record close. I predict that right now. I don't predict in front of you, but I predict that one. That's an easy one.
Way to go out on a limb.
Go way out on a limb. Of course, they're stretched. Bonds as valuation are much more stretched, but it doesn't mean that the stretching has to be reversed in any time soon. That's the problem for people who are short these markets. So I think right now, between the two, stocks are more attractive. You probably have to go with stocks, particularly the ones that have high yields.
Mike Holland, thank you so much.
Happy Friday.
End the week with the Dow firmly in the green. Happy Friday to you, too. And that is a new closing record.